Hello world, this is Amit and today I'm going to present you my retail shoe shop startup smartsneaks.lisk. Smartsneaks.lisk is a retail shoe shop startup which leverages the power of AI to create sneakers, design and non-fungible tokens when releasing sneakers. It has this beautiful online marketplace which includes physical shoes that are matched with digital NFTs. Sneakers and non-fungible tokens NFTs are seemingly made for each other. Cryptographic tokens, which represent a unique asset or utility, are becoming increasingly popular as many consumers begin to invest in completely digital collectibles in fashion, art and music. As people look for creative ways to express themselves by dressing up their digital avatars, physical fashion satisfies the desire for uniqueness and exclusivity. With this idea in mind, I have shaped the idea for a retail shoes shop startup called smartsneaks.lisk, which leverages the power of AI to create sneakers, design and non-fungible token NFTs using Lisk SDK when releasing sneakers. It has this beautiful online marketplace which includes physical shoes that are matched with digital NFTs. How it works. The pipeline of the project. Artificial intelligence. If you went on Amazon, how many shoes would you find? Probably a lot, right? But is there a lot of variety in them? At least in terms of sneakers, a lot of them looks pretty similar. It's time for some fresh design. We need to evolve. What if we would generate our own shoe designs with machine? Here is smartsneaks.lisk, which is helping us find the solution. More about AI is in the last part of this video. Now let's talk about non-fungible tokens. Using Lisk SDK, we have developed a blockchain application which will generate non-fungible tokens matched with physical sneakers. Anyone who purchases a sneaker using Lisk token, LSK token, will also get the NFT for the AI generated digital design transferred in their name and the matched physical sneaker shipped to their addresses. This is, I think, is the flow for our web application smartsneaks.lisk and our blockchain application that we have deployed locally.